Arabic lesson for today, تدريب 1, exercise 1. سل بين العبارة والصورة المناسبة. Join between the sentence and the proper picture or related picture. Masmuka, what is your name? So you see there is a male Vamir here. So we will connect it with the male picture like this one. And Masmuki means what is your name, and it is a female Vamir here. So we will connect it to the female picture here, this one. And Anta means you, as it is a male Dhamir, so we will connect it with the male picture, and Anti is female Dhamir, and we will connect it with the female picture. Kaifa Haluka is a male Dhamir, and we will connect it with the male picture, and Kaifa Haluki is a female Dhamir, Ki, so we will connect it with the female picture. Next is Tadreeb 2, second exercise. Ajib means answer it. Assalamu alaikum. So, how do you answer Assalamu alaikum? Wa alaikum assalam. Kaifa haluk? How are you? How do you answer this question? Is Bikhair walhamdulillah. Good and all praises for Allah. And similarly, Masmuk, what is your name? Ismi Khalid. That is how you answer that my name is Khalid. Ismi, so you just put the name here in this picture, in this blanks. Ismi Uthman, Ismi Khawla, Ismi, etc., etc., any name. Nasmuki, what is your name? And it is a female Dhamir, so the answer would be a female name. Ismi Maryam. Kaifa haluki, how are you? Bikhair, walhamdulillah.